You'll be using a lot of those woolly items coming up in the next few days.
Better start getting some hats going here, Eric.
They will come in handy, no question about that. Plenty of cold in the forecast. This fall went from warm and wet to cold and wet, but wet is the predominant theme. Look at the Tuesdays. Going back to the start of September, it's rained almost every single one of them. Tuesdays and Saturdays have been the wettest days this whole stretch, and we're really stacking it up. Over 21 inches of rain at Blue Hill Observatory so far this fall, starting on September 1st. It's the third wettest fall on record with almost 3 weeks to go. So the #1 spot is definitely on the table here as we stack up some more. Another 1 inch of rain is likely as we head into Friday. Out there tonight, things are starting to dry out. The temperatures beginning to settle back in the 30s and 40s right now, and that colder air will dive right down out of southeastern Canada and dipping us back into the upper 20s to low 30s by tomorrow morning. So any leftover standing water could freeze up. Use a little extra caution out there, and the winds will start to pick up as well. Gusty outside this evening and into tomorrow. Wind out of the west-northwest, not damaging wind, but enough to add some extra bite to the air. And then those winds will start to subside as we head into tomorrow night. The wind and the falling temperatures combining for some chilly wind chills. Tomorrow morning feeling like the teens and 20s, coldest across the high terrain and milder, relatively speaking, toward the Cape and the islands. But a midwinter kind of day tomorrow. Lots of bright sunshine, but with that wind and the unusually cold air mass in place, our highs just in the 30s across the region, and we'll stay in the 30s for highs on Thursday as well. Less wind there. A little bit of sunshine in the morning gives way to increasing afternoon clouds, and then we track this next storm system. And because it's so cold out ahead of it, I wouldn't think that this snow would have any difficulty trying to stick to the ground. And temperatures will be in the teens and 20s on Thursday morning and just barely getting above freezing during the day. And so that will really cool a lot of these surfaces. So that snow arrives right around 8 o'clock or so on Thursday night near the south coast, spreads inland, and there's a small window where we have a chance for a burst of snow. It's about 8 o'clock to midnight or 1 a.m. And then some warmer air is going to move in aloft. So you've got that window to see some accumulating snow. Then we're going to change over to sleet and freezing rain for the inland areas and changing over to regular rainfall along the coast and across southeastern Massachusetts. As we get toward Friday morning, most areas are now rain. The ice could still linger across central Massachusetts and southwestern New Hampshire, as well as out toward the Berkshires. So still some icy spots during the Friday morning drive there. And then during the day, a band of rain and some wet snow will likely move across the area. So it's a pretty ugly stretch. It's our first snow of the season. Boston and areas right along the coastline get a coating to an inch of snow. That includes the Cape and the islands. It will wash away in the rain. An inch or two once you get a little farther west away from the coastline. And the best chance for accumulating snow, then topped with sleet and ice, would be in central Mass, southwestern New Hampshire. And we could see some spots of over 4 toward the Monadnock region, which has the highest chances overall of some of those larger totals. Highest impact on the roads Thursday night into early on Friday morning. Will start to improve during the day on Friday as some milder temperatures do start to move in. And November snow, we almost always get at least a trace. This is in the city of Boston, which is one of the least snowy areas right on the water. We average a little over an inch for the month of November, and well, I don't think we'll get quite to an inch with this one, technically at Logan Airport. There's your full 7 days. We head into the weekend. More chilly stuff, highs in the 40s. I'd say Saturday is the better of the 2 days. And then we're watching Monday, a chance for some snowfall there as well, with another system nearby and a blast of cold with low 30s on Tuesday. Whew. Jumping into it quick. David and Lisa, back to you.
Yep. Sure are. Eric, thank you.